Good morning, friends. Today we are going to solve another question. Today's question is related to BST tree. So before moving to the question, I will tell you what is BST tree. So BST tree is a tree whose left subtree having a nodes whose data is always smaller than the current root node, and the right subtree nodes always having a data greater than its current root dot data. For an example, you can take this tree. So current root is 11 and the left data is 7, which is smaller, and its right data is which is greater. So come now checking for this tree. So in this tree, left is smaller and the right is greater. For this tree, left is smaller and the right is greater. So 12 is also in the right of 11, so it is greater. So all the condition is satisfied, so it is a BST tree. Now I will give you the another example. 9 is left is smaller, right is greater. Condition satisfied. Right is greater, left we do not have none, any value in the left, so checking for the right is greater. But 10 is also in the left of the 9, but it is greater than 9, so it does not follow the rule, so it is not a BS tree. Now check for this tree. In this tree all the elements are same, so left is equal to the current root data and the right is also equal, but it is not a BST because it is condition says that it is always smaller in the left and the always greater in the right subtree. So I hope you understand what is BST tree. So let's move to the question part. The question want to say that the tree is given to you and you have to tell whether it is a BST or not. So for that you have to check whether its left subtree node key is smaller than the current key data or not, or right subtree node data is greater than the current root data or not. Okay, so I will tell you one simple logic which is very easy. BST in order, find out the BST in order traversal. So if we do the BST in order traversal, then we get this, and you see that it is in sorted form. Yeah, the logic is that BST tree in order traversal is always in a sorted form. So simply find out the in order traversal of a tree. If it is in sorted form, then it is a BST. Otherwise, it is not a BST. Okay, so I have done this. I have simply find out the in order traversal and store the data into an array list. Then simply checking using the for loop whether the this element is smaller than this element or not. If it is not smaller, even it is equal, then also it is not a BST tree. So if it is greater than this, then simply return false. Greater than and equal to, simply return false as return true. So in this way, we are going to find out whether it is a BST tree or not. You have to simply find out the in order traversal of a tree and check whether they are in a sorted form or not. If it is not in a sorted form, then simply return false as true. There are various other way of solving this question. Like you can use a recursion method, but many people are not. Many people find difficult in the recursion method, so I have used this approach. Thank you for watching my video.